So a Bitmoji classroom would be incomplete without a Bitmoji. That's one of these little people here. Believe it or not, that's me, but as a cartoon. So the best way to do this is go on your phone to your app store, type in Bitmoji and download the app, and it'll kind of take a picture or kind of look at your face, and it'll make your face how it thinks it's correct. So that's the best way to do it. And then you want to go into Google Chrome, type in Bitmoji Chrome extension. Okay. Then once you download it, over here will be a Bitmoji extension. So when you click on it, it takes a little bit of time, but when you click on it, you'll be able to search like hello, and there's me saying hello. So I decide like that one, it looks a bit grumpy. So you press copy image, you get into your presentation, paste, and there's Grumpy Gareth.